Hey guys, this is Evie and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be doing a haul here from Gearbest. Picked up a few items, and one of the items I picked up are these reusable nail forms. I used to get questions all the time about these, so I do want to try these out. I have some chrome powders, some gel polishes, makeup sponges, makeup brushes, some orange sticks, and I have these cool magnetic lashes along with this automatic brush cleaner, which is pretty cool. Before this video, I will be trying out this steam off gel removal, and it says easy to use, to clean, why soak when you can steam. And on the side here, it does show you pictures on how to use it. So I'm just gonna open this up and we're gonna see what's all inside. So this is the instruction manual. It does tell you more detail of how to use it step by step. So you take the cap off, and here are the little slits where you will put your fingers. This little material is like a kind of like a plastic latex type material, but you do get extra of these little finger slit things because I guess they can get dirty. This is how the underside of it looks. And it does come with two of these plastic trays where you'll put your nail polish remover. So I'm just gonna remove these nails. I'm using these large nippers that I got from Gearbest a while back, and I'm just cutting the side of the nail, and that takes off majority of the length, and then I'm just gonna go in as close as I can without hitting my natural nail. Next, I'm using this medium grit cone bit that is also from Gearbest, and this is a ceramic bit. So I'm just going to use this to take off the bulk of the acrylic and get it down as thin as I can get it. Alright, so this is how my nails look after filing down the acrylic very thin. So now we are going to put the 100% acetone into the little dish here. And on this tray, it does have a fill line, which tells you how much acetone to put in there. And you just lock it back in place. So you're gonna flick this on button here, and you're gonna see this red button come on under the H, which means it's heating up. So after about 3 minutes or so, you're gonna see it go green, and that S is for steam. So you just go ahead and put your fingers in. So you don't want your fingers to go inside the liquid. You kind of want to keep them kind of bent so they are, you know, not touching the liquid. So after about 10 minutes, this is how the nails look. As you can see, the acrylic is flaking off. I would say that this method is so much less messy than just soaking because the acrylic is kind of like flaky dry, like it's not wet, so it doesn't stick to your skin. So I use my cuticle pusher to get off the acrylic. And then I go in with my hand file to get more of that softened acrylic off. So this is what I have after getting all of the softened acrylic off. And as you can see, majority of it is off. But I am going to go back in the steamer for about 5 minutes. And this is what I'm left with after the 5 minutes. And the acrylic just comes right off. It's super soft and easy, and I don't have to use too much effort. Alright, so this is how my nails look after all of the acrylic is off. So I'm just going to lightly buff the surface of my nails. Now I'm going in with this alcohol. I was finally able to find a higher percentage than 70 in my stores here. So I just put that on a lint-free pad and I'm just gonna wipe off all the dust from my nails. Now I'm going in with some cuticle oil. I like to use this rose oil and I apply it to my cuticles and also to my nails to replenish all of the oils that we sucked out. So this is how my nails look after all of the acrylic is off. This steamer worked very well. It basically cut the time that it takes for me to take my acrylic off in half. When I soak, I usually get it off in about 30 minutes, but with this, I was able to get these nails off in 15 minutes. So that definitely helps with saving time and it's just much easier. I will leave links down below to all of the items that I mentioned in this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick nail removal tutorial. Head over to longhairprettynails.com and check out the shop. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will talk to you in my next one.